Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App device ban. Alright, let's begin. If Cash App tells you your device is banned, it usually detects suspicious activity. This can happen due to unusual logins, blacklisted device IDs, rooted or jailbroken phones, VPNs, proxies, or terms violations. Sometimes it's a false positive. First, check your email and SMS from Cash App. They often explain why your device was restricted. Follow any instructions provided. Next, ensure your Cash App and Phone OS are fully updated, as outdated versions can trigger security blocks. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If using mobile data or Wi-Fi, try switching between them to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, contact Cash App support. From your profile icon, scroll down and select something else if you don't see guidance. Then start a chat or call the support numbers provided. Following these steps should help restore access. Always keep your app updated and your connection reliable. So that's basically how you can fix Cash App device ban. That's it for this video. Thanks.